When a customer expresses interest in AstroLawn, the sales associate will enter their details into ServiceConnect. The service provider will receive the lead through HDConnect. Then contact the customer by phone to better understand their need, provide all information, and answer any questions the customer may have. The service provider will then set an appointment to take a look at the desired location for the install with the customer, take measurements, and present a detailed estimate of the job. If the estimate is approved by the customer and the artificial turf agreement is signed, the customer will be required to make their payment, either directly to the service provider or in-store at the Home Depot. Then, the installation is scheduled, the job is completed, and after the customer is satisfied and the installation customer approval document is signed, the lead is completed and updated in HDConnect. For more information, please visit astrolawn.com or contact us by phone or email.